The weBoost 970030 connector SMA male to SIB adapter is the ultimate adapter. It allows Wilson and weBoost trucker cellular antennas with coax terminated with an SMA female connector to be used with a drive reach and drive reach fleet cellular booster. It can also be used with the drive sleek cellular booster. Top reviews from the United States. Cell carriers. This works great for us. We travel all over and my wife works from the van. Attention Verizon users. You have to call Verizon to unblock weBoost so it will work with your phone. Call and tell them you bought the weBoost and they will hook you up. Works great. Love Wilson products, easy to use. Antenna adapter. Exactly what I needed for the antenna.